Hello everybody, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining me again today on another one of my soapy time adventures. So today is a soap. It is a remake, but it actually isn't a recent remake. I don't think I have made this soap probably since probably 3 years ago maybe. I think, if I'm thinking right, I made a 25-pound slab of it. And if I can find the video, I'll put it up in one of the corners there. But this is going to be Volcano. And I call this something else, but I can't remember, Citrus Island or something like that. But I had a request, special request from a client. They have it in lotion and in shampoo bars and in a candle and body butter and scrub, I think. And now they're like, we need it in a soap. So I don't know why when I think Volcano, I just think neons. So we are going to be using all of the neons today. We are using neon green. We are using blue shocker, I think it's called, tennis ball breaker, cheesy poof. This one is called tickled pink, and this one is grape ape. I don't remember grape ape ever being a neon, but whatever. So those are our colors, all from Mad Micas. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting these in a base of Tahitian teal, also by Mad Micas. So I've got these already dispersed in oil, just kind of letting them sit and meld and mush into the oils, because neons have a tendency to leave flecks if you don't mix it up good enough. So to our oils, I've added coconut milk to this because it's tropical, so I thought coconut milk. And I've added my kaolin clay and my colloidal oats. We're going to give those a couple of quick bursts. Sorry, I have off to the back here, I have some soap that I am hot processing, so I'm just waiting for it to finish. I'm going to give this a quick burst and mix this up really fast so we can get moving. I'm going to be adding about 12 ounces of water to this. I have done a 50-50 blend for my lye solution, and normally I add another liquid in there like goat's milk or coconut milk, but I didn't have any liquid coconut milk. I'm having a hard time finding it without any guar gum in it. And I know somebody online, I was watching somebody online who mentioned it, but I just couldn't get it here in time to be able to make this soap and get it curing in time. So we are just going to, I'm just going to add it and reconstitute it with the water. So I'm going to be adding my water directly into my oils. Oh, and I need to get more water. Whoops, I went a little bit over. Wow, I went a lot over. That's not what I wanted to do that way. Okay, I'm gonna just move this down and get my out of the way. So I'm gonna be adding my colors into these measuring containers. Probably don't need, oh yeah, I need that many, but I probably didn't need anything that big, but that's okay. All right, we've got that all mixed up. We've talked about our colors. We've talked about our fragrance. So let's just go ahead and get started. Without further ado, let's get soaping. sorry. I don't know when it shut off. I didn't hear it go shut off or anything, and I just put a brand new battery in it. So this is what I've gotten done so far. I'm kind of loving this. I got this one a little bit too full. I'm gonna scrape little bits off and then hopefully be able to fix the edge. Yeah, just like that. Right, so here we go. Look at the top on that one. Doesn't that look so pretty? I'm loving it. Fix that piece right there. And then this one. All right, pretty. Oh, I love neons. They just make me happy after the day I've had today. Yep, this is what I needed. I needed to make this neon soap. So we will be back in about 24 hours for the cut. We will see you then. Okay, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and steam the tops of these soaps. This is the one I did with the Volcano. I'm really excited to see what's inside because of all the neons. This has a little bit of soda ash on it again, so we're gonna go ahead and steam the tops just to give it a nice crisp look. I love how they look after I've steamed them because they stay just nice and shiny. So we're gonna steam these. This is a Steam Fast. I've got it off of Amazon. I don't fill it up to the full max amount of water because I end up just dumping the water because I don't use that much of it. And until I get this recipe down, this new recipe that I'm using, I'm going to have to just play with the water amount and the oil amount. I did adjust my recipe to have about, I think it was about 8 ounces more oil, because I am adding 4 ounces of some kind of a liquid. I'm going to have to get some coconut milk liquid, I think, instead of just the powder. So that's number 1. Ooh, it's so pretty. Here's the number 2 before, and I'll show you after. It doesn't take very long. It does take longer. It actually takes longer for this to dry than it does to steam. So I can't remember if I explained it in this other video or in the beginning of this video, but I am doing a new recipe. With the cost of olive oil and everything going up so high, I've had to resort to using different oils. And I found a new blend that, so far with the other bars of soap that I've cut with it, it's a marvelous recipe. It's great. It dries really, it cures, saponifies really hard. The bars are really nice and smooth. So the only one I had a problem with was the one I had to hot process, which of course that was because it was a boo-boo. These actually look like air bubbles to me. But I don't have my glasses on, so of course they're on top of my head. Oh, I didn't show you the after on that other one. Let me grab that one. We had the before, or yeah, the before, and then that's the after. So these will take about 10 minutes. I'm going to redo this one a little bit. I can still see a few little spots. So what's cool about this when you're using this for soda ash, to get rid of soda ash, is that you can just keep going over it. You can go over as many times as you want. The steam is amazing. And looks like I'm good. Okay, so I'm going to, I only had about 1 inch of water in this, and I still have almost 1 inch of water. It's at the minimum line level. Oh, sorry, I'm getting the steam everywhere. Maybe give myself a good steam facial. So I'll come back when these are ready to cut, and then we will see what's on the inside.